All right. From the four corners of the globe to your motherfucking living room. Should sound pretty crispy. Is that crispy? God. Hey everybody, I got a new sound set up. Thank you for those bits. Should sound very much better. Should sound a lot better. Does it sound a lot? It should sound way better. Yeah, I can do the shit the other streamers do now. I can do the shit the other streamers do. Because of this, Marsh. Marsh helped me out today. Everybody thank Marsh. What a what a gem that guy is. I love him. Yeah, we only censor fuck. We only censor. You can say anything else you want. You can say, you know, you want to jam your... All that stuff's okay. Only the F word I censor. Hey guys. It's good to be back. I didn't get a nomination. Feels bad, man. But it's okay. We get better. Just a sign we gotta work harder, baby. But I think the sound upgrade's gonna help a lot. I think it's gonna help quite a bit. That's my humble take. That's my humble thought. Now my voice really comes through. I was using a Canon string before. Big mistake. Also, I can hear myself. Those JBLs? Yeah. Yeah, I finally wear the headphones I'm sponsored by, which feels good. Oh yeah, let's just let this play out. It's giving me the juice I need. Give me the gas. All right. Hey everybody. I'm Will Neff. Oh, thank you so much, Triton, for that juice. Thank you, No Rain. I appreciate you, brother. Triton, thank you for the 5. That's a lot of juice.
I don't have COVID anymore.
Hey, feels good. Parker, HIV. God damn. That's a lot of juice. Damn. I can't get over how fucking crispy I sound. It is, it's like night and day, bro. Marsh came in and bailed us out in a big way, huh? For fuck's sake.
Oh yeah, wow, that's very cool.
Sign Hoist, thank you for the prime. All the days of just blowing people's ears out are over. It feels bad, man.
Oh yeah, wow.
Curbstomp 4994. Thank you.
To Cruise.
As a mobile phone viewer, I appreciate the new sound. Listen. I finally got enough complaints that I mobilized, and I bought all new shit.
That's for cool.
So
King
there we
of
go.
content up in here. Let's go.
Thank you, the king of content, the moniker that no one wants. I miss the old Will. Me too. I sold out, bro. Fucking, I should have just stayed blowing people's eardrums out, man. You've changed, Will Neff. You've changed. How was your day? It was good. Just worked out for the majority of it. Bad mic equals funny? Yes. That is true. Your voice is sounding like warm chocolate being drizzled down my gullet in a sexy thunderstorm. Jesus Christ. Stand up, Will. Because that made me hoard. I just had to turn your volume up so much more than usual. Are you saying that now or back in the day? Now you can join the ASMR meta? Yeah, I feel like I have a good radio voice that I've never really used. This new setup is so smooth. It's like I'm getting honey poured in my ears. Hey, nice. How you been feeling lately? Back at 100% yet? Haven't noticed you using the inhaler to help you breathe. Yeah, I'm feeling a lot better.
Never into ASMR, but now.
Hey, you know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, wow.
Little ASMR.
Sag submitted you for in a league of their own cause you truly are. Cheers to more growth and nothing but the cream of the crop streams on Twitch.
Hey, thank you for that. I appreciate you.
Oh yeah, wow. That's for cool.
Crystal Steelix, thank you. Thanks to everybody. I've listened through all the Fears and Malding episodes. I'm fiending right
insight
now.
in
Yeah.
the geopolitical situation in Ukraine with Russia. Just kidding. How do your toes smell?
1 second. What? Oh, do they? She's taking my giant plunger. Babby bee bee ba 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 ba. Your voice sounds like that guy who has a big cock. Yep. Okay, dude. Can't believe it took me 23 years to learn that conditioner needs to stay in your hair, and already my hair is doing so much better. Yeah, see, there you go. When I gave that piece of advice, everyone was like, what? No. No one doesn't know that. I was like, wait till you see. Wait till you see. No, that thing that she just took out of here is a workout mace. It helps with stability. I've been really trying to get back at it. I've been beating my ass in the gym trying to get sexy again. I think I'm gonna start blowing up Instagram again with some sex. Some dirty sex peel. Wait, you leave conditioner in? Yeah, I leave conditioner in for like 5 minutes, which some people say is too long, but leave it in for more than like 30 seconds for sure.
Oh yeah, wow. That's for cool.
I need the thirst traps.
Traps.
Hey, Dirty Dave, I'm working on it. I gotta look the part first. I'll put some toe rings on and get it going. You should hit up Sony for workout advice. Yeah, man, my man's ripped, bro. I mean, it's a lifestyle for him. It's just, you know what? Like, I've been ripped before. I'm gonna be honest. I know how to do it. It's just really having the energy and the time has been a little difficult. Tan your balls, Pepe Law. Exactly, bro. Get a nice sun on your huevos. Farley, why are you being weird, dude? I don't know what sometimes he like, I don't know what he wants. What are you saying to me, Caroline? Oh, feels bad,
I'm
Caroline.
bossy. I don't take no shit from anyone.
This should cover the cost of the new mic setup.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, dude, Gary, dude. Wow. How did you know the exact cost of my new mic setup, dude? You fucking nailed it. Fucking nailed it, bro. It was that $3 holding me back this whole time. Feel like we need to get an aux extender. That stock shit is too short. True. Possibly. Bless you for saving me from Ukraine talk. Yeah. Yeah, I can at least promise you I probably won't say shit about that. Are you getting a new mic? I got a new Go XLR, and I had a Pro Marsh come set it up, so I should sound a lot different tonight. The overall just sound should be much different than it typically is.
Divides when I'm at work.
Oh, thank you. I'm glad you listened to me at work. Hey. It's husky sexy. You do sound very different. Yeah, part of it is that I can hear myself, which I was just like screaming into the void before. I couldn't hear a goddamn thing. Can you please react to Spider Nest some more? It's my favorite. No, please. Please. How do you avoid longer hair getting frizzy? I mean, it really depends on your hair type. You might be overwashing it though. A lot of times when hair gets frizzy, it's dry. You sound silky, not as peaky. It's very nice. Is it better to hear yourself? It helps a little bit when I'm just like belting. I think I was just blowing my mic out because I couldn't hear myself. Did you see these streamer award nominations? Yep, I did. Yes, I did. Yep. Womp womp. Feels bad, man. You'll get them next time. You'll get them next time, kid. You going to the show? Who are you voting for? I don't think I'll go anymore. I don't want to be that weirdo who goes if I'm not nominated for anything. Maya says she has a bigger dick than me. LOL, best streamer interaction I've ever had. She probably does. She's hung like a horse. Hey Will, what's the film night movie this week? I don't know. I gotta go look. You are so dumb. Cutie, I love you. Why am I dumb? There are 100 people nominated. And 300 people going. Okay. All right. No, I don't know. I just it feels weird. Like to spend my weekend watching other people win awards feels kind of weird. I'll just hang out with you guys after. It's not a big deal. Farley is stalking. Yo, Farley. What are you doing? What's up, Solo Double J? Your husbando will be there? Nah. Is Myth gonna be there? Thoughts on the dunk contest? Psh, bro, even the dunk contest that people said was like so dope still wasn't as good as Vince Carter. Vince Carter was that shit. The cookie jar dunk? Wow! That shit was hard, dude. Or no, it was the honey dip, not the cookie jar, where he was like, just like, wow. Shit was so hype. I don't know. I feel like the dunk contest, it's hard because like, I feel like with there have been like with so many dunk contests under the belt, we've seen a lot of like what a human being can do in a dunk. Hey, what's up? Wilhelm. God. My German aunt calls me Wilhelm. I haven't been called Wilhelm in a moment. But I like the dunk contest. It's just tough to live up to some of those old dunk contests. I feel like some of the dunk contests feel a bit uncanny because like the bar has been set so high that like some of the like almost feels a little artificial now. And so it feels like, you know what I mean? Like when someone goes like off the backboard and everybody's like, it's like, come on, man. I don't know. I think the slam dunk contest is cool. It's cool. I think they should open it to non-NBA players. I think that would solve a lot of the problems in the slam dunk contest. Because I see motherfuckers on Instagram doing shit, space age shit. I think the onus shouldn't be on NBA players anymore to go and carry the slam dunk contest. Open it to everybody. Let everybody just go in there and slam some dunks. Add a trampoline. I don't know. Let people get fucking stupid, dude. Let people do dumb shit. Put a trampoline in there. Let them use a small ball.
Oh yeah, wow, that's very cool.
If this isn't the Vince Carter dunk competition, I don't know why you sent it to me. Oh, this is Michael Jordan from the 3-throw line. This is a pretty good one, but the Vince Carter's the best by far. We're doing music in here tonight? Nah, I don't know. Maybe. I haven't been doing as much music. I used to do full music streams, but...
Bro, you fuck with Ingmar Bergman.
Yeah. Dude, I've never heard anyone say you fuck with Ingmar Bergman. Yes, I enjoy the films of Ingmar Bergman. I enjoy the 1957 films from Ingmar Bergman, dude. Bro, I fuck so heavy with the Seventh Seal, son. God damn. That's a good ass allegory about death, son. Fuck. Shit. Hey, yo, Ingmar, that motherfucker kept it tight. That caught me funny, bro. That caught me funny. Yeah, no, I like Ingmar Bergman a lot. I really like the Seventh Seal a lot. I love that film. Love that film. I haven't watched enough of his filmography outside of that to really give an educated take. I know I've watched a few of these. I just can't remember which. Years ago in a hungover days in film school. Let's go. Will is on. No Ukraine, please. Well, there you have it wrong. I'm about to give you 15 straight hours of hard-hitting Ukraine coverage that are gonna depress you in ways you did not know you could be depressed. Do you have hope about your life? I'm about to ruin it. By the way, tomorrow's 2/22/22. How could it possibly be a bad day? With numbers like that, I've been crunching the numbers, goddammit. I've been crunching the numbers. I've been doing the math. I've been crunching the numbers. I've been doing the math. And it's going to be a good day. 15 hours will Neff stream is the biggest lie. The biggest lie, dude. I stream for 3 hours and I'm already like, what the fuck am I doing? I stream for 3 hours and I'm like, Jesus Christ.
Oh yeah, wow, that's very cool.
Fuck.
Oh yeah, wow. That's
Nick Sauce 3, thank you. Someone just says meth? Question mark. Keck. No. No meth. Adam Bro, thank you for the prime. Just curious, will you come out publicly to say that Putin is bad? No, he pays me too much money to keep me quiet. So yeah, I'm bought and paid for. Can't say that. I'll say that he's a glorious leader with ambition and a great chest because he pays me to say that, but
Oh yeah, wow, that's very cool.
Neff.
Oh yeah, wow, that's very cool.
oh, little Lady in the Tramp moment on stream. Hell, hold on. Hey now, hold on. Hey now. Hey now. Oh. Oh. Oh, debated. Debated.
Oh yeah, wow. That's
Kyle XCVI, thank you for the prime.
Oh yeah, wow, that's very cool.
Says.
The best are the Putin memes riding a horse topless and fighting a bear. Yeah. He's got a great social media team. Do you fuck with Kyle XY? The artist? The musician? Oh, no, I'm thinking of Charlie XX. Kyle XY is a show. I've never seen this show. Giant Toast with the 5. All right, listen, chat. My dog is being so weird. He's just waiting slightly out of frame. I'm gonna go try and grab him. Hold on.
Oh yeah, wow, that's very cool.
4 months BB.
I'm a stud. I'm ballsy. I don't take no shit.
All right, now Farley's chill.
I'm so glad you raided Mr. Chan Chan last night.
Oh man,
That man is an experience.
isn't Mr. Chan Chan a fucking riot, bro? If I'm ever having like an off day, I just go watch him, and it's like, yes, yes. Will, explain this. Okay, all right, this is Hassan Piker, and this is a poorly photoshopped photo of Putin, sloppily overlaid. There you go. You got gold today? Congrats, bro. Dude, yo, Neswa literally carried me from the gates of hell. I was in a game. I was in my last gold promo game, and every lane just started farting on themselves. And he was like, I think we can win this. We were down like 20 kills. I was like, no, we can't. Just let me, come on. Just put me to death. And he was like, no, we can win this. And we won it. Neswa turning in. Oh, dude, he absolutely carried. It was a fucking freak show. I was playing good before that game, but he was a fucking freak show. Did you see that the Price is Scuff got nominated for Streamer Awards?
Months with the best.
You are the one of the main reasons I voted.
Night,
Dude, Price is Scuffed absolutely deserves to be nominated. Wubby's fucking incredible.
About shooting scenes with mirrors. Never thought about that before. Also, how was the Green Day show?
Oh, the Green Day show was poggers. It was very good. Yeah, man. I guess all I gotta say about the Streamer Awards is, you know, even if I don't go, that doesn't mean that I don't fully support them and think that everybody who got nominated absolutely deserves it. I think everybody who got nominated is like fucking incredible, and they absolutely deserve the nominations. I think I'm just one of those people who I'm pretty hard on myself. You know what I mean? And I just took it as like, okay, work harder. And I don't know. Is it weird to not want to go to a award show that you're not nominated for anything? I didn't know that was like such a unusual thing. I'll just party with him afterward.
Oh yeah, wow.
Alpha Taco 1. Don't like 3K peoples go to the Oscars? Yeah, it's the Oscars. If I had a chance to sit next to fucking Nicolas Cage, I'd do that. But it's the Streamer Awards. I know all these people. Alpha Taco 1, thank you so much for the 5. Is the French dispatch of the Streamer Awards this year absolutely robbed? I'd say I'm more of the Mandy. But it's, guys, I don't feel bad about it at all. In fact, I'm just happy everybody that I love got nominations. Like Seer got a nomination. I'm fucking juiced for Seer. He should win Best RP Streamer by a landslide. Wubs got one. Fucking Kit Boga got one.
Too big for up and coming, too small for streamer of the year.
No, I just don't think I got nominated enough for either. It's okay. Award shows are kind of a circle. Guys, it's really all right. Who do you think streamer of the year is?
Oh yeah, wow, that's very cool.
Oh heck yeah, 4 months. Also, school always Wednesday nights. I love those streams.
If I had to vote for streamer of the year, I would vote for Barry0314. I'd give it to Barry because I'm tired of her getting banned for no reason. The Razzle Dazzle, 14 months. Hell yeah, let's go.
Thanks for all the wonderfully fantastic content, Will.
Oh, hell yeah. Thank you. I hope you guys are enjoying the new mic setup. I hope it sounds better. I don't really know how it sounds on your end, but on my end, it sounds very nice. What's the plan for the stream tonight? I'm kind of just warming up. It's a sounds like somebody's got a case of the Mondays. I'm just warming up. I'm just warming up.
I'm a stud. I'm ballsy. I don't take no shit from anyone.
I don't think I have enough mental fortitude to watch this season of Survivor anymore.
Yeah, dude. This season of Survivor has been an absolute bowl of dog water. It's so intense.
I don't take no shit from anyone.
Mondays suck, but at least it's not toe day.
I just feel like if I were to die tomorrow, I'd be remembered for Coach's toe rings. He didn't get nominated for anything, but man, did he notice those toe rings. Shit. Guys, I'm so excited for Elden Ring. I can taste it. I always allow people an hour to file in where I just, you know, kind of wake the fuck up. Elden toe rings? Oh, dude, I've received so many messages on this. Everyone wants me to watch Adam Sandler's new movie trailer. So let's do that. Oh, God damn. Here we go.
You love this game? I mean, love it with your whole heart. Because if you don't, let's not even bother. Let's not open that door. They're just gonna slam it right in our face.
Look, I be riding through my old hood, but I'm in my new whip.
I love this game. I live this game. There's 1,000 other guys waiting in the wings who are obsessed with this game. Obsession's gonna be talent every time. You got all the talent in the world, but are you obsessed? Let's face it, it's you against you out there.
Look at me.
When you walk on that court,
Look at me.
you have to think, I am the best guy out there. So let me ask you again. Do you love this game?
Look at me.
I love how the main character didn't say a fucking word. I feel like this is based on how fucking Adam Sandler plays create a character in NBA 2K. Thank you. Ah! Fuck!
You love this game.
Shit! Fuck! I feel like this is just Adam Sandler yelling at his fucking create a character. You gotta love this game.
Look at me.
Yeah, I mean, this is it's a sports movie. Interesting. Adam Sandler is usually surprisingly good in his serious roles. Kind of shockingly good. In his serious roles. So I mean that film could very well be great. Especially if you love basketball. It'll be interesting.
Oh, yeah.
Is that going to be another Netflix release? I mean, it'll certainly be better than his other Netflix releases. Hasi Frass, thank you so much.
Oh yeah, wow, that's very cool.
Thank you for recommending Uncut Gems to me. It was very good. Oh my God, the Uncut Gems controversy. I remember it's like the first time I ever disagreed publicly with XQC. And I was like, yeah, he's like, that's the worst movie I ever saw, dude. It's the worst film of all time, dude. And I was like, I disagree. I think that's a very good film. And there's like 1,000 people in here being like, you are dumb. Oh, shit. What have I done? I was Ryan Safdie's muse for Uncut Gems. That interview was fucking hilarious. Are there any other trailers that have just come out that we should take a look at? I don't give up. Being 38. That movie was like a heart attack slowly coming on. I thought it was good. It was great. It was incredible. The Safdies are fucking brilliant. Hustle trailer, brother, we no more than 30 seconds ago watched that trailer. We watched the Jurassic Park one. We watched the Man trailer. Elvis, we watched that one like just yesterday. Batman, that one too. Do you have any thoughts on Spike Lee's early joints like School Days or Do the Right Thing? I think Do the Right Thing is a great film. I think it's by far Spike's best film. Do the Right Thing is like such a good movie. And I feel like everything kind of in his later career was like, yeah. I fucking love Do the Right Thing though. What about the trailer for Nope? Yeah, we watched that. It's like 30 seconds long. Can we have Gamba with Survivor content? No. No. Not once, not fucking ever. And I'm going to tell you why. The reason that we're not ever going to have that is because we tried to have that with American Gladiators. And like a week in, I figured out that people had looked up fucking spreadsheets for American Gladiators to swindle channel points, even though channel points in my chat do nothing as of now. Not to say they will never do anything. But I was like, what the fuck? And so I guarantee it would just ruin Survivor for so many people. It would just fucking ruin Survivor. Anyway, you fuck with Invincible on Prime? Yeah, man, Invincible was fucking great. That show was bomb. We watched the new Elden Ring trailer yesterday. I will though. I will want another one. Could you shut the door to my office though? Capcom releasing all the Darkstalkers games. Wait a minute. Hold on.
Yo, Will, your film sessions inspired me to re-watch some old movies, and came across this Spanish gem from '95, which was one of my favorites. Highly recommend you check out the trailer.
Which Spanish gem?
I'm ballsy. I don't take no shit from anyone.
I watched your touring YouTube video today and now have Survivor quotes as a trending Twitter topic. They're great, thank you.
What? Survivor quotes are now a fucking trending Twitter topic? And I'm not being mentioned! Did you see Street Fighter 6? Did I see the 5-second, like, yes, I was excited for it. Did you check out Super Cooks on Netflix? No, I did not. Futurama. Oh, yes. This is fascinating. Futurama potentially without Bender. Like, what the fuck? Dude, I hope he joins the cast. I'd be crushed if he didn't. All right. 45 minutes I gave you guys. I want to eat my food. Could someone link the next episode of Survivor? Survivor. We're about to get it in. Beep beep.
Oh yeah, wow, super cool.
Have you seen Station 11?
Okay, here we go. Station 11. No, it doesn't sound familiar at all to me. Ooh. Maya's Space. Thank you for the 5. All right, y'all. We have the episode.
I'm a stud.
Let me juice the volume real quick.
Ballsy. I don't take no shit from anyone.
Yes.
The Spanish movie is called Day of the Beast. It's about
Day of the
beast trying to
Beast.
prevent the birth of the Antichrist. Here's the link to the trailer.
I typed in Day of the Beast and Taylor Swift's The Best Day came up. Okay, search engines. Can you please fucking help me? All right, Day of the Beast. Let me take a look at this. Oh, this looks tight. Yeah, I'll take a look at this. All right, we got Samoa popping. Let's get into the content, guys. Thanks for rolling in. There's over 4,000 of you here. That's flattering. All right. What the? Oh my. Huh?
Survive. After 8
That feels way too loud. Is this too loud?
days,
Now that I have my new headphones, that feels so
I'm
fucking
ballsy.
loud.
I don't take no shit from anyone.
If you are purposely ignoring this question,
What?
but I can't find an answer anywhere else, so I am sorry.
No.
But is your film school always Wednesday nights? I love it.
All right. Holy smokes. What a night for streaming. What a frickin' night for streaming. Yeah, let me see what time I have to go to work tomorrow. Let me see what time I have to be at work tomorrow. 1 second. That's not that early. Okay. See if I have anything else. Hold on.
Stud. I'm ballsy. I don't
Fuck.
take shit from
I
anyone.
have to go for it.
The title for the next episode is All Hell Breaks Loose. Already.
Oh, fuck. The title for the next one is All Hell Breaks Loose. A 10 banger. Oh my god. Oh. Thank you. God, I love the echo. The echo is so fucking good.
That's very cool.
The real Masonite gifted a tier 1 sub to Conrad.
Thank you guys. Title bait. I'm being baited by the title. I might call it. I streamed so much this weekend. I streamed so much. Hey, someone's birthday? You turned 30? Hey, happy birthday. Your 30s are better than your 20s. Believe it. Any news on the G4 D&D campaign? They haven't even started the new season. I don't even think they've gone into pre-pro on it yet. I haven't been into G4 since last I spoke with you, when I asked you guys if you wanted me to do D&D or not. So I will talk to them when next I go in. We're just used to insane insane Hassan length streams. Yeah, I mean, that's never been my vibe. Credit to all the streamers that stream for so long. But my thing is, like, whenever I feel like I'm falling off and not giving my best possible effort, I usually call it. I don't usually phone it in.
Mumbert Hat gifted a tier 1 sub to Echo Main.
Mumbert Hat. When will games be making a comeback? I'm kind of preloading a lot of React content because I'm keeping it real for you guys. Friday through Monday, I am going to be playing Elden Ring like I'm trying to blow my fucking ocular sockets out. Like I'm trying to blow my eyeballs out of my fucking skull. Like I'm just trying to blow the back of my fucking head. Play a game with Sear soon? Yeah, I want to. We don't even like stream at the same time anymore. He usually gets off right after I get on. Are you streaming it? Oh my god, for sure. I'm definitely streaming Elden Ring. You kidding me? I'm the Elden Ring boss, dude. Call me John Souls. All right. All right, I'm gonna raid the boy No Rain because he just got over COVID. Also, I feel like a lot of people have to go to bed. It's Monday, and I don't want to watch potentially the best episode while everybody's sleeping. It'll be a great episode to start with tomorrow. Anyway, that's it. Get out of here. Skedaddle. Thank you guys. I appreciate you. The last thing I'll say is, you know, it's interesting to feel bummed about the award show nominations. I didn't, I guess, expect that I was going to feel bummed about it, but I definitely did. You know, just one of those things. And you guys went a long way in cheering me up, so thank you so much. I appreciate that. We got our own thing going on, man. We got our own little corner of the internet, baby. The little engine that could. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know? So we'll just keep doing our thing, baby. Climbing brick by brick, day by day. Till we're too big to ignore. Goddamn right. Anywho, thank you as always. Be gentle, people. To no rain. I'll be back same bat time, same bat place tomorrow. Stay dangerous. Thanks for all you do, and good night. See you soon.
My mouth is dry. My face is numb. Fucked up and spawned out
in my room. On my own, here I go. Fuck! All right. Go to sleep, William. Go to sleep.